Your title has a typo. Your viewers saw it, and now they're judging you. Resolve 21 could have caught that.
Now, in DaVinci Resolve 21, you have the ability to do spell checking. If you see this familiar little squiggly line underneath of the words, you just right-click and check the words that you want. And that's as simple as that. This works in the cut page, edit page, fusion, everywhere. All the different texts. Anywhere you need to use a spell checker, it is there. We also have the ability now to look at the different font packages that you have on the PC itself. If you see an arrow key, that means there are different styles, and you can see all the different styles. As of right now, the bad thing about this is that you cannot actually see what you are looking at on the timeline. So you got no way of comparing it until you actually select it and place it on the timeline. In the inspector, you can actually see it as you scroll. So it's a lot easier this way in the inspector to see the different types of fonts that you have versus what the actual way it will look using them in on your timeline. Maybe when DaVinci goes live with the new version or the studio version, they will put that in so you can actually see it. In your font browser, you have the ability to see dark mode and light mode to see what it will actually look like on the timeline. And you also have the ability to zoom in and zoom out. And you also can have the text boxes to group the fonts together. You can zoom into those as well. You can see multiples of them. And again, this is just for any page that has this icon. So you can select it and you can see all the fonts that you have on your PC. You also still have the ability to put in emojis as you see here. And so just go click anywhere on any text box on any screen. You press the Windows key plus the period, and that brings up your emojis. All of these emojis are on your computer system. So the more you download to your computer, the more that you will have for your DaVinci edits. It is just Windows key plus the period. That will bring up your emojis, and you can put them in your timeline. And that's just a couple of quick little tips on what's coming up new in the latest DaVinci 21. I hope that you get some use out of this. Please like and subscribe. And until then, have a good day.